Guys, faceless YouTube channels are a new trend, and as AI is growing day by day, new YouTubers or new aspiring YouTubers are coming up with their new channel which is totally faceless. And that's what we are going to talk about in this video, that how to grow a YouTube channel without showing face, which is basically a faceless channel, and how you can grow that kind of YouTube channel. Because if you're not showing your face, there's very challenging task to grow your YouTube channel, because if you're not showing your face, you will be not able to engage your audience, right? Because our face is kind of a trust factor of our YouTube channel, and if you are not showing your face, that means the trust factor is gone. But still, YouTubers or new aspiring YouTubers are able to grow their YouTube channel without even showing their face. And how you can do that, that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. So let's start with the first slide, where I'll explain the first point, and that is, can a YouTube channel grow without showing a face? And the simple answer is yes. There are many examples, thousands of examples. If you go to youtube.com, and if you search faceless channels who are rapidly growing, or if you search faceless channels using AI, you will see tons of channels which are growing in a rapid speed. So yes, there's a simple answer that you can grow your YouTube channel without even showing your face. And here I have mentioned 2 points, that making a face brand is always best, but if you didn't want to, or if you don't want to come in front of the camera, then you can do, definitely you can run a faceless channel as well, right? And the second point says, there are many successful channels on YouTube that do not show their face in their videos. Yes, right. So the first question is totally clear, that yes, you can grow your YouTube channel without even showing your face. Now the second question is, what is the requirement for a YouTube channel which not use face? So a simple requirement is a showable skill or art, right? So this is the basic requirement. If you have a showable skill or an art, then definitely you don't need any face to engage your audience, because your skill or the art have the potential to engage with your audience, right? Here I have mentioned, people do not come to YouTube to see faces. They come to YouTube to entertain or to learn something. So if you have this content, obviously in the entertainment content, you need to show your face in many cases, but there are categories in the entertainment sector or in the entertainment category as well, where you don't need to have or don't need to show your face while creating entertainment content, right? Also in learning factor or in the education sector, definitely you can grow your channel without even showing your face. You can take our example. Although we don't have that much followers, but yeah, we are getting good amount of views and we are getting good amount of response. Now the second point is, if you have something that people like to watch, then definitely you can be a successful YouTuber without even showing your face, right? So as I told you, that whether you need to have a skill or an art, right, which people likes. Now the next point is, what is an essential element in faceless videos? So when we show our face on our YouTube videos, or when we come directly in front of camera, so our face is the key element or the main element that helps our viewers to, or that help us to get the attention of our viewers continuously, right? But if we are not showing our face, so there should be any element or there should be any content that can maintain or that can continuously attract the viewers attention, right? So you can do good amount of editing or good type of editing. You can add some element into your videos so that you don't lose your viewers attention, right? Because this is the key element. If you are not able to maintain your viewers attention in your videos while being faceless, then definitely you will be not able to grow your YouTube channel. And here I have mentioned the reason as well, like because a face is very helpful in attention grabbing. That's why when you make a faceless video, it is very important to provide such content that the viewers will be forced to watch the video. So I hope you got the point, that if you are not able to show your face, or by any chance or any reason, if you don't want to show your face in your YouTube videos, then what are the things you need to add into the video so that the video can be more engaging and attention worthy, right? you can do good amount of editing, or you can add good amount of animation, good amount of text, good amount of content in the video or in the screen, so that the viewer's attention doesn't disappear. Right, now let's talk about the niches or the categories in which faceless channels are getting fire. So basically these are the categories which you can choose or which you can use to create your YouTube channel which is totally faceless, right? So gaming videos, definitely people are growing their YouTube channel while being faceless, and their YouTube channel is rapidly growing. Then there's another category, that is restoration of home, mobile and vehicles. In home and mobile and vehicles, what you can do is you can show the procedure, right, by just adding the voice of yours, and you don't need to show your face, right? And same as business case studies, you can go to YouTube channel and you can search, I mean, you can go to youtube.com and you can search business studies or business case studies. You will definitely see many faceless channels there. History, fact, political news and memes. Then book summaries. Book summaries are also there. I'll show you some example channels which you can search on YouTube, and definitely you will get an idea that how faceless YouTube channels are growing rapidly with the content which are without faces, right? Then here we do have stories, scary stories with graphics and sounds, right? This is very important. This is the engaging part which helps to attain, or which helps to retain the attention of your viewers, right? Then the motivation videos, software tutorials, remedies, then which is in Ayurveda or allopathy, it totally depends on you. Biography, then relationship tips, sketches, arts, then pet animals, then mechanical gadget information, engine, air balloon. So tons of options are there. You can find out your niche, like in which you are interested and which type of content you can create while being faceless. Right, now let's talk about some channels which are totally faceless and getting good amount of subscribers, and they are totally a hit. So let's start with the first channel, Seekin. Seekin is an Hindi channel. Okay, so they create contents in Hindi language, and this is totally faceless. But a few months ago they revealed their face because they were into book summary, and this YouTube channel has been created almost like 6-7 years ago. As you can see here, this is a video which is 6 years old, right? So after getting millions of subscribers, YouTubers doesn't bother showing their face. So that's why they reveal their face after getting good amount of subscribers. As you can see here, in just 500 videos they got 4.17 million subscribers. It is a huge number for a just like a faceless YouTube channel. As I told you that this is in book summary category. Then we do have this Geekpot AI. This is totally a faceless, and this is on the initial days of their YouTube journey. They have just published only 23 videos and they already got 12k, which means 12,000 subscribers. And this is totally faceless, and they create content into money making, like how you can create money using AI and all, right? Then we do have this one, Mindset, Invest Mindset. This is investing channel. Basically they give you knowledge about investing, or how you can invest your money into stocks or mutual funds and all, right? And already they got 1 million subscribers in just 128 views, and totally faceless videos, right? So this is what the potential of faceless. If you want to go with faceless, there's no worries, right? You just need to provide the real value, real content. And again, here's one more, YouTube book summary videos, which is Great Ideas, Great Life, and they got around almost 7 million subscribers. And just 8 months ago they revealed, the YouTuber revealed his face. Otherwise it was also totally faceless, right? So this is what, how faceless your YouTube channels have the potential. If you are providing real content, real value, then definitely you can grow that faceless YouTube channel without any problem, right? With that said, I want to take your leave. If you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, just comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell icon. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.